So, less than 2 weeks after Google unveiled the Pixel 9 series, which includes the standard Pixel 9, 2 Pro models, and a foldable variant, the spotlight is now turning toward the anticipated Pixel 9a. Recent leaks have given us a first look at this upcoming device, hinting at a continuation of the design trends seen in its higher-end siblings while introducing some distinguishing features of its own. From the front, the Pixel 9a shares a striking resemblance to the other Pixel 9 models, featuring a flat display with a punch hole cutout for the selfie camera. However, one noticeable difference is the thickness of the bezels, which are more pronounced than those on the Pixel 9 and 9 Pro. This isn't entirely surprising, as the previous Pixel 8a also had slightly thicker borders compared to its more premium counterparts. The sides of the Pixel 9a appear to be constructed from aluminum, similar to the Pixel 9, and boast a matte finish that enhances its overall aesthetic. The device's design is practical and functional, with the SIM slot, USB-C port, and speaker all located on the bottom edge. On the back, the Pixel 9a features an all-glass panel, which is consistent with the design of the more expensive models in the series. The rear of the device houses a compact camera bar with dual cameras. Notably, the sensors are surrounded by a glossy ring that sits almost flush with the back, giving the device a sleek, streamlined look. According to the leaks, the Pixel 9a is expected to be released towards the end of this year and will be available in 4 color options, including black and silver. Under the hood, the device is rumored to be powered by Google's new Tensor G4 chipset, which should provide a significant performance boost and align the 9a with the latest advancements in Google's hardware lineup. The Pixel 9a is shaping up to be a strong contender in the mid-range smartphone market, offering a blend of premium design elements and powerful internals at a presumably lower price point. With its release just around the corner, it's poised to complement the existing Pixel 9 series by providing consumers with an attractive, budget-friendly alternative that doesn't sacrifice too much in terms of design or functionality. As we await its official launch, the Pixel 9a stands out as a promising addition to Google's ever-expanding Pixel lineup, continuing the brand's tradition of offering high-quality smartphones at various price points. So, what do you guys think about the upcoming Google Pixel 9a? Let me know your thoughts in the comments down below. And as always, I will see you guys in my next video.